The concept of technology includes the use of materials, tools, techniques, and sources of power to make work more productive and life more pleasant. It began with the introduction of the first tools, and since that time people have been fascinated with technology. Having access to technology is a luxury, a status symbol, and a source of pride. What better way to show off the tech that a person possesses than by wearing it? Watches are the original and have continued to be the most popular wearable technology. As early as the 16th century, people were wearing spring-powered timekeeping devices called clock watches. Since then, personal timepieces have evolved from wall clock-size, unreliable, and inaccurate jewelry to the smartwatch of today, which by communicating with other devices such as a smartphone can perform virtually any digital task. Over the years, various versions of the wearable clock have enjoyed popularity. The pocket watch first appeared in the late 17th century, followed by the wristwatch, which became popular during World War I when British soldiers strapped pocket watches to their wrists. The first electric watches appeared in the 1950s and were powered by a battery. Next was Seiko's quartz crystal watch, released in 1969. It was the first wearable timepiece that had no movable internal parts. Shortly after the quartz, the electric digital watch was debuted. This was the first non-analog watch and displayed rotating numbers in place of the face and hands. The 1980s saw a string of digital watches released, each having subsequently bigger and better features than the last, including a TV screen, a thermometer, a built-in scientific calculator, and other interactive features. In 1995, Timex released the first watch that could interact with the user's computer by offering data storage. But it would be another 18 years until 2013, the year of the smartwatch, when Samsung released its Galaxy Gear. The market quickly became flooded with competitive options. Today there are dozens of smartwatches currently in production with unique features and a variety of price points. Other similar devices are in research and development, like Google Glass. These variations essentially have the same capabilities as a smartwatch because they interact with smartphones in the same way. Another type of wearable tech that is popular today are fitness-related devices. Fitbit and Jawbone are two examples of devices that help users track and document activity and physical routines in order to improve fitness or maintain health. Many experts see the healthcare and medical industries as the future of wearable tech. Wearable tech and modern medicine has evolved just as rapidly as the watch. It began in 1958 with the first implanted medical device, the pacemaker. A pacemaker is a device implanted inside a human chest that regulates the heart rhythm via electrical impulses. Other medical tech that is worn inside or on the body followed. In the 1980s, cochlear implants became available. A device planted inside the cochlea stimulates nerves by connecting magnetically with a device worn on the outside of the body, allowing the profoundly deaf to permanently hear. Today, medical tech is one of the fastest growing tech industries. Healthcare providers are using devices like Google Glass in conjunction with apps to access patient records and consult reference materials while actively assessing patients. Wearable devices are available to patients that can monitor specific health issues and automatically deliver a predetermined solution, such as the LifeVest wearable defibrillator, which monitors patients at risk for sudden cardiac arrest. If a life-threatening heart rhythm is detected, the device automatically delivers a shock to restore normal heart rhythm. Another class of wearable devices monitor activity to ensure health and safety. Smart monitoring system Tempo requires the user to wear a wristband that communicates with room beacons placed throughout the house. The smart system monitors vital signs of the residents as well as activity, and then compares the data to custom algorithms. Tempo will alert an emergency contact if there's a change in either. This wearable tech improves the quality of life for the elderly or disabled by enabling them to live independently, and provides peace of mind to their loved ones. There are many other healthcare-related wearable tech systems and devices in development. Major tech companies are spending their R&D dollars in the healthcare arena because many see this niche as the future of wearable tech. Google, for instance, has announced its work on Google X, a contact lens with a microscopic sensor that monitors blood sugar levels of diabetics through their tears. The lens will have tiny sensors, a processor, and an antenna that will allow it to send data to an app like MyFitnessPal. There is a strong demand for wearable technology. People seek devices and gadgets that make their day-to-day easier and more enjoyable. The evolution of wearable tech will continue, and developers will work to make advancements as long as that demand is there.